Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is a super exciting unboxing. It's really late at night. I just a while ago came from work and I was looking at the box and I was like, nah, I can't wait for the morning and I have to open it today. So that's why I'm doing this video this late. But yeah, with no further ado, let's start unboxing. So this package is huge and it's actually open from here because my boyfriend was home when the delivery came, so because I wasn't sure what the package is, then he opened it, but this is the furthest that we have opened it. So this is like a live unboxing. I haven't seen these shoes, or I've seen them live, but these are the first time that I'm actually seeing them. So yeah, super exciting. So this is my first order from My Teresa. I haven't ordered from them before, so I will show you these in a sec. They have this My Teresa envelope or thing which has the receipt and returning instructions. What else do they have? Yeah, that's all. And then they have this card that looks like this. And this says, thank you. We are delighted that you've shopped with us. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us anytime at customercare@myteresa.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Your package was personally wrapped by, and then the name who wrapped it, which is really nice. Cool. And then it's in this, whoa, can't get it out. It has this My Teresa logo silk paper around it. I've never been so excited of anything that I bought. And then, ta-ta. And this is the Balenciaga box that they come with. Ta-da! So these are the white color Balenciaga Triple S. These are really heavy. So I bought these from My Teresa because these have been sold out everywhere for so long, and like 4 days ago I went to the My Teresa website and they had pretty much all the sizes in stock, so I was like, wait a second, okay, I have to get these. So then I bought these and these arrived pretty quick, so I got these like 3 days later. So yeah, super excited. I've been wanting these shoes for so long and I've always been a bit hesitant if I actually want to buy these because these are pretty expensive. But I'm super happy that I did, because ever since that I went to the store in Helsinki where I thought I was gonna buy these but then they didn't have them, ever since that I've been really like in pain because I don't have these shoes. Like I feel like every outfit that I put on, I feel like they would be perfect with these shoes. So now I'm super happy that I finally got these. And also one day I tried to buy them from Balenciaga's own website because they had it in stock, but then the stock was incorrect, so they didn't actually have that or have the shoe in stock, so I didn't get them, so I was bummed about that as well. But now I'm super happy that I finally got these. But yeah, let's have a closer look how these shoes look like. But before we take a closer look, I noticed that the bag or the box has the dust bags and another pair of laces. These have like a white and black lace and then a black and white lace. So you can switch it up, and then it has a dust bag which is pretty long for the shoes. I thought they were gonna have like 2 different dust bags, but I guess not. So that is that. But then I will open the laces because these have like these things in, or actually I can take these out. And I still have to try these on because I didn't know my size, or I've tried the 37 on and the 38, but then I haven't tried the 36, so I didn't know which one I would get, because normally I am on sneakers, I am pretty much a 37, but then on heels and stuff, I usually wear a 36. And then everyone says that these size down, so then I really didn't know which size I wanted to get, but then I decided to go for the 36 just in case, because I do kind of remember that when I tried on the 37 there was still some space, but I hope I was correct because I really don't want to return these, but we'll see about that. I will try these on. But before that, let's look closely what these shoes look like. They also have this tag here and then the labels here. Alright, so this has many different colors. It has like the, let me show, like a beige part here, or a darker beige, then it has, or like an off-white color, then it has like a lighter off-white color here, and then it also has like this off-white with like kind of a green undertone, then it has like white, then it has kind of light gray, and then gray with like a nudish tone, I don't know, and then also white, and then some black and laces. But I feel like this color is super nice because it has so many different colors in it, so it's really easy to match with like different whites and beiges and pretty much everything. So I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this shoe, which is very exciting, even though because this is an expensive shoe, I don't want to wear these too much, but yeah. Now I'm gonna try these on and see how they fit and then tell you guys how they work. Alright, I tried these on and these were perfect. I'm so happy that I took the size 36 because the 37 would have been probably too big, because these still had a bit of room. So this is a really big shoe, and it's a really big shoe like this. I wanted to take a comparison. Like these are the Fila Disruptor 2, and if I compare these, so I can compare these like this. So like the bottom, this looks like super big, even though the inside is the same size pretty much as this one is, and this one I am a 37, so yeah, a big difference. And also in like, and this shoe is pretty big for its size, or pretty big if you compare it to other sneakers. So yeah, this is a humongous shoe. And also the box that these came with, or the package, the whole package, weighed 4 kilos. So that's, you can kind of get an estimate how much these weigh. I'm not really sure, but these are pretty heavy. But when you walk with these, they don't feel that heavy, I don't think. And also I feel like they are really comfortable, but they are pretty stiff, or because the bottom is such a stiff rubber, it kind of, when I walked inside, it kind of made this like clunky noise. But yeah. And also we didn't film when I tried these on because it is so late at night, and yeah, it's dark outside, and yeah, we don't really have that much space here to film that. But I will probably be doing like a styling video with these, like how to style bulky sneakers or something like that, or the Balenciaga Triple S. I think this was it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming this video because this was like the most exciting unboxing that I've done, and these are the most exciting shoes that I've ever bought, so I am super happy with these. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!